Welcome to the second video in Lesson 2, Repeating and Terminating Decimals. Here we're going to use a calculator to change each fraction to a decimal and then see if we can notice a pattern. Now this first set of fractions here are all being divided by 9. So when I do 1 divided by 9 on the calculator, I get 0.11111 repeating. Now I can write that in bar notation like this. 2 divided by 9 is 0.2 repeating. 3 divided by 9 is 0.3 repeating. So now take a second before you put in 4 divided by 9 in the calculator to see what you think that would be. So you can check that on the calculator now. 4 divided by 9 is 0.4 repeating. So what we have here is essentially a repeating number that is the numerator. Whatever number is up top, that's the number that's repeating. So now you can use that pattern whenever you see something being divided by 9. Now for these set of fractions, we're going to be dividing by 99. So we'll see if there's a pattern here. 12 divided by 99 is 0.121212 repeating. And I can write it like this using bar notation, putting a bar over the 1 and the 2. 6 divided by 99 is 0.060606. So it'll be written like that. 38 over 99 is 0.38 repeating. So now take a second to think what 73 over 99 is without using a calculator. And then when you check, it is 0.737373. So the pattern here is that this time there are 2 digits repeating. Whatever's in the numerator, but if the numerator is a single digit, then you have to add a 0 beforehand, just like with the 6 over 99. It's 060606. So now continuing our patterns by dividing by 9s, this time we're going to divide by 999. So 8 divided by 999 on the calculator is 0.008008, repeating. Now we already did dividing by 9 and 99. So now before you do 95 over 999, guess what you think the pattern would be, knowing what you already have done. That is 0.095. 095 repeating. And 832 is 0.832832, and so on. So because I'm dividing by 999, 3 9s, this time 3 digits are repeating. So again, it's whatever's in the numerator, but if there's only 1 digit like the 8, you'll have to add 2 zeros. If it's 2 digits like 95, you'll have to add 1 0 in front. So these are important patterns for you to remember. You don't need a calculator whenever you divide by 9, 99, or 999. Now let's look at this set of fractions where we are dividing by 5. So 1 divided by 5 is a fraction you should be familiar with. So we don't really need a calculator for that. That is 0.2. Now you can use a calculator to do 2 divided by 5. That is 0.4. You can use a calculator for 3 divided by 5. That is 0.6. So what we have here are all terminating decimals as opposed to repeating. So now try to figure out what 4 divided by 5 is before using a calculator. That would be 0.8. We're just increasing by 0.2 each time. And of course, if we did 5 divided by 5, that is just 1. So now after exploring some patterns, you can move on to the next video in this lesson.